In this video, let me show you how to create a passive income stream with ChatGPT. First, write and sell digital products. ChatGPT can help you create ebooks, templates, Notion systems, or printable planners in just a few hours. You give it the idea, it gives you the content. Package it and sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Create once, sell forever. Second, launch and Faceless YouTube channel. ChatGPT writes your scripts, titles, and descriptions. Pair it with tools like 11 Labs for voiceover. Third, build a niche blog with affiliate links. Fourth, sell AI generated services. Offer gigs on Fiverr or Etsy, like bragging, writing, product descriptions, or captions. Use ChatGPT to fulfill orders fast, then outsource. You manage the gig, ChatGPT does the work. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.